Friends, Huawei's frontline has launched such a wide phone. This is an extended value version. Everyone must be curious, is it easy to hold with such width? Is this aspect ratio handy for daily use? The yet-to-be-released Huawei Pura X Wave is here. First, I'll take everyone to experience it. Let's start with a direct comparison placed next to a regular cardboard phone. The difference is obvious at a glance. The computer screen feels like it's all display when you look at it. The black borders are really narrow, about 1 mm, and the arc corner curve is made very uniformly. The phone's overall delicacy is indeed quite high. Flipping to the back, let's take another look. Mine is the white back panel featuring the POC series, same style of geometric line design. It is good layering under different light and shadow. The back has a horizontally arranged camera with holes. The advantage of this design is that no matter how you hold it, your hand won't block it. Another point is that the horizontal module does make the phone wider. My first impression was it might not be easy to handle. I picked it up, but in fact, after holding it, I felt it was somehow more handy. I specifically weighed it, it's only 201 grams. The thickness really surprised me, only about 6.7 millimeters. Among phones of 2026, it really counts as a light and thin model. However, the back still has 4 cameras, no cuts made. I also specially found the most similar previous model, P1X, to compare the differences. Compared to the 16:10 extended straight version, the extended straight panel has become 16:9:5. You can see it is indeed a bit narrower, but the hand feel is much better. Everyone can guess its battery capacity. How convenient is a 7000 mAh phone of this size for daily carry? I was a bit curious if it can fit in pockets. Over the past couple of days, I deliberately tried it in shirt pockets, shorts pockets, women's skirt pockets, even the back pockets of milk pants all could fit. Moreover, I found that with smaller pockets it has one benefit. It won't expose the upper half like ordinary phones do. Now let's talk about what everyone is most curious about. Is it really handy to use? I honestly used it continuously for 2 days, mostly just browsing short videos during free time. I found that for many short videos in 16:9 ratio, it can fully fill the screen. Combined with its very low bezel presence, it's light to hold and not tiring. Using it to watch short videos, the immersive feeling is really strong. I also often like to read comics. I have to say this aspect ratio is really great for reading novels and chasing comics. Next, let's talk about the gaming experience everyone cares about. I specifically played several rounds of Peace Elite, as those who have played FPS games know how important vertical vision is. The extended panel doesn't crop the left and right sides, but the visible range vertically is limited. After playing several rounds of PUBG, I found this ratio is very similar to playing games on a computer. While flipping system settings, I also discovered a highlight. It runs the system version, which surprisingly is HarmonyOS 7. Previously, I experienced this new system on-site. Features like 3D spatial wallpapers, particle lighting interfaces, and the new landmark weather are visually pleasing and practically handy functions. Huawei has been exploring new smartphone forms in the past 2 years. So, friends, what do you think? Will future phones get longer or wider?